guys, we are back. What's going on here? We are back with another video. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, today we got things to do. My room doesn't look messy, like it's neat, you know. I make the bed and everything. I mean, literally, when you see it, I'm not messy, but I do truly feel like some things need to be cleaned. So, and I got to wash some stuff, so we're gonna do that. So if you haven't already, go ahead and follow my Insta right here. And yeah, like this video and keep on watching, and let me know if you want to see more. So today, what I need to do, I know I need to do laundry. I think I want to go ahead and wash my sheets, because I think you're supposed to like wash them every week. But in all honesty, I'm going to wash my sheets. I don't know if that's gross. It kind of is. Yeah. There is a lot of something over there on this side of this bed that it's like dust and everything. I just want to clean it. I just want to clean up and sweep all the floors, like the corners and everything, because this room gets like dusty. I should get a air purifier. Clean off my desk area and like wipe down all of these. And probably clean out that closet. I've cleaned out that closet so many times because it's just all that stuff and I don't like it. Like, if it was just me, I'll just, you know, throw it away. I can't throw everything away though. So yeah, that is the plan. And yeah, I think that's about it. So let's get started. So now I'm just gonna move as much stuff off the floor as I can so I can sweep. I'll probably just throw most of everything on the bed, so, and put everything else in the hallway. So it is, what time is it? It is 7:31, and like was done cleaning my room. I just had to wait for my clothes and my sheets and stuff to dry. So I just got my sheets and stuff out the dryer. And I'm gonna put them on my bed now so I can sleep. But yeah, I didn't film as much as I could because deep cleaning is a lot. But you know, I swept up all the dust that was over there. Like, it was a lot, all by this bed and all this under here. And I wiped down all my dressers and my desk, and that's kind of all I did. I was gonna like Swiffer the floor, but I really didn't feel like it. So I hope you guys like this video. You already know what to do. Comment, like, subscribe if you want to. But yeah, if you want to see more of these, I always say that because you never know, somebody might like a video and I'm like, you know what, I want to see more like this. So let me know if you want to see more like this. Deep clean the whole house, deep clean the kitchen, you know, anything like that. And I don't buy clothes like that. So peace out, Girl Scouts.